Hello everyone, good morning all. How are you all? Yes, you all are very fine and doing very well in EVS. Yes, because many students send me the work, whatever they have done in their notebook, they sent me. Okay, so first I will announce the names of the students, those who are doing very well, like Amatullah Easy, uh, हृदय महाजन, काविश, शर्विल टिंडोरकर, अथर्व सुकेश, अनस खान, सोम मालवे एंड रेयांश नीमा, समर्थ दुबे, मयूर राठौर, है ना. दे सेंट मी देयर वर्क रेगुलरली. ओके, दे सेंट मी देयर रेगुलरली. सो दिस क्लैप फॉर these guys. Okay, well done, keep it up, always do good in your life. Okay, now we will start the study. Okay, today we will write the new words of the chapter 3. See, dear students, chapter number 3 addresses we already done, we already completed. Okay, and we learnt many things in this chapter. We learnt many things in this chapter. We cover why do we need a cloth. We need a cloth to cover our body, है ना. Then we learnt the famous dress for women in India, famous, common and the national outfit for women in India is that sari. Yes, sari is this sari which I wore now. This is the famous outfit. This is the common outfit. This is the national outfit for women in India, है ना. Then we learnt some names of the traditional dresses which is very much famous in their states, like salwar kameez with dupatta. It is very much famous in Punjab. Ghagra choli, lehenga choli with orni, kurta with ghagra and many more. Yes, these are the names of the traditional outfit. But apart of these outfit, we are to wearing the trousers, jeans, skirts, evening gown, frock, top, t-shirts, night suits and all these things. Usually we are wearing all these things in our regular life. ये सारी जो outfit है ना बेटा, ये सब हम अपने regular life में ज़्यादा पहनते हैं rather than the traditional outfit. Rather than the traditional outfit. But this is not our culture. Wearing for a woman wearing jeans is not our culture. हमारे कल्चर में किसी भी महिला के लिए या लड़की के लिए जीन्स पहनना हमारे ट्रेडिशन में, हमारे कस्टम में, हमारे कल्चर में, हमारी संस्कृति में नहीं आता है. दिस इज़ नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ इंडियन कल्चर. बट वी आर तो वेयरिंग, तभी भी तो हम पहन रहे हैं ना. सो फ्रॉम Western we adopted this culture. From Western countries we adopted this culture. That's why we are wearing. Why? Because we are feeling more comfortable rather than the sari. We are feeling more cozy rather than the sari. That's why we are wearing all these outfit, all these attire in our daily life. Okay. Then we learnt about some names of the traditional outfit for man in our country. Yes, धोती कुर्ता, कुर्ता पैजामा, लुंगी कुर्ता, है ना, चूड़ीदार कुर्ता and पैजामा and all these things. But apart of these traditional dresses, the men all are also wearing the shirt, jeans, trousers, track suit, jacket, blazers and etc. Okay. So then we learnt about some special clothes of special states. And one more thing, see, every time we all not following the same tradition. If I am living in Gujarat, definitely I will follow the Gujarati culture at my home, in food habit also, in clothes also. If I am a person which is belong from Maharashtrian culture, then definitely I will follow all the rules, all the regulations, all the tradition which is followed by a Maharashtrian people. Okay, if I belongs from West Bengal, Kolkata side, then definitely I will wear the I will follow the Kolkata pattern sari, then I will follow the food habit which is belongs to Kolkata, है ना? So understood, I hope you understood. Then we talked about the what? We talked about the headwears. Yes, in India headwear is most important part of the man clothes as well as woman clothes also. Okay, see, Punjabi men, they are using turban, pagdi, है ना? And the people, those who are living in Himachal Pradesh, they are using that woolen cap, and that woolen cap is very famous for the embroidery which has that. Okay, and the Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh people wearing the Gandhi topi, white wala topi, that Gandhi topi called, है ना? So then we learnt about the tribes. Yes, tribe means early mans was using the long leaves to cover their body, है ना? Early man using long leaves to cover their body, and then time increases, जैसे जैसे समय आगे बढ़ता चला गया, what they used, they starts using the skin fur, they start using the animal skin, they start using the animal furs, है ना? And nowadays the tribes all also became the more educated. जो आदिवासी हैं, जो ट्राइब्स हैं, वो आज के समय में हमारे आपकी तरह ही एजुकेटेड होते जा रहे हैं. दे आर गेटिंग एजुकेटेड, है ना? सो दे ऑल्सो स्टार्ट्स एज लाइक अस, है ना? दे ऑल्सो गोइंग स्कूल्स एज लाइक यू, दे ऑल्सो सो, बट sometimes we people are lenient with our tradition, with our culture. कभी कभी हम अपने कल्चर में थोड़ी ढील दे देते हैं, but the tribes people, they are very strict about their culture, they are very strict about their folk songs, about their dance, about their food, about their tradition, about their rules and regulations which they are following. Okay, now we learnt about these special dresses. Yes, people, those who are doing these special jobs, we can identify them by the outfit. See, if you will see a policeman, how you can identify? You can identify by their vardi. Yes, all the policemen and policewomen worn the police vardi, है ना? So you can identify. If you have seen a pilot, definitely you can identify by his outfit, by his uniform. If you will see a doctor always wear the white coat with the stethoscope, so you can identify easily. Yes, he is a doctor, she is a doctor, है ना? All the nurses are wearing the white type dress, postmen are wearing different type of dress, astronauts, dancers and many more people are wearing the different special dresses which we called the uniform. And uniform shows what? Uniform shows the equality, similarity, बराबर, ना कोई बड़ा ना कोई छोटा, everyone is equal, everyone is equal. See, dear students, you all also wearing the uniform, है ना? आप सब भी uniform पहनते हैं. We teachers all following the uniform. It means what? It means we all teachers are equal, you all students are equal, ना कोई बड़ा ना कोई छोटा, everyone is equal in the school. Okay, so uniform shows the similarity among us, uniform shows the similarity among us, everyone is equal, equality, है ना? So then we learnt about the special days. Yes, everyone, every man or woman, every child or children has the special day in their life. First special day is the birthday. Yes, birthday is the most special day of everybody's life. When our birthday will come, definitely we feel very excited, we feel very happy. Why? Because birthday makes us very happy. जिस दिन हमारा बर्थडे होता है, we are very excited to distribute the chocolates in the school among the teachers. We are very, you all are very excited when your birthday will come. You all are, you before few days you start talking with your parent. मम्मा, मेरा बर्थडे आ रहा है, आप क्या गिफ्ट दोगे? पापा, मेरे को वो वाली चॉकलेट ला कर देना. I will distribute to my teachers and my friends. पापा, this time I will distribute the pencil among my friends, है ना? So why you starts preparing for your birthday before few days? Why? Because we all are feeling very happy on this day. So birthday is the special day in our life. Okay, so this was the jhatpat recap, a quick recap of the lab. Dear students, new words is quite important.
Answer. Okay, so when you will write the new words, try to learn the spellings there and there only. Okay, so first you will write the name, you will write the chapter number. Yes, chapter number 3, then name of the chapter are dresses. Then you will start writing. Okay, then your heading is new words. Okay, what is your heading? Your heading is new words. While writing, please your handwriting should be beautiful. है ना? Write beautifully. Maintain your notebook very beautifully. Okay, so first word is climate. Your first word is climate. Climate means what? Climate means the weather, the season of that particular state, that particular place. Yes. Then second is salwar kameez. Second is salwar kameez. Salwar kameez, the name of the women attire, which is very much famous. ठीक है. Then the trousers. Yes. Then dhoti. Then dhoti kurta. है ना? Then चूड़ीदार pajama and the achkan. है ना? Right? Then vesti. Vesti is very much famous. This is called lungi, है ना? And then fehran. Fehran is very much famous in Jammu and Kashmir. It is a long loose coat which is worn by the Kashmiri people. And then the turban. Yes. Here I am writing some more. Then embroidery. Then traditional. Okay, then custom. Custom means the rules which we are following according to our family rules. Uniformity. Uniformity means what? Equality, similarity. Okay. Then the name of the famous sari. Yes. Banarsi. Then Kanjivaram. Kanjivaram is also very famous. So these are the new words. These are the new words of the chapter. Climate, salwar kameez, trouser, dhoti kurta, achkan, chudidar pajama, vesti, fehran, turban, embroidery, traditional and custom, uniformity, Banarsi and the Kanjivaram. I am giving you 5 minutes to write. Okay, write there and there only when you will watch this video. I already told you in my previous lecture, in my previous video. Then we will do the new words. So I hope you get ready with your notebook. You will write there and there only. Okay. So I am giving you 5 minutes to write. Then we will do the next exercise.
in the book only. Take the correct option. This is the next exercise of the chapter. We will do in the book only. While writing, your handwriting should be more beautiful, as like you. Write properly with good handwriting. Keep proper finger distance. Or you can take the screenshot. Okay, you can take a screenshot and you can write after the video also. Don't get it pending. Write there and there only. I hope you have done your writing work. Now I am going to rub the board. Now I am going to rub the board. I am giving you 1 more minute. Then I will rub the board. Some students are not writing faster. You have to be very quick. You have to be very fast. Don't be lazy, don't be slow. Okay, now I am going to rub this. I am going to rub this. Okay. Now we will do this wala exercise. I will show you in front of the camera. Page number 22. This first one. Tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. Okay. So here I will write you no need to write in the notebook. Dear students, no need to write in the notebook. आपको इसे नोटबुक में लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Do in the book only. आपको सिर्फ इसे बुक में ही करना है. ओके. Yes. What is your heading? Your heading is tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. What is number 1? Yes, number 1, the most common dress for India woman is the, yes, the most common dress of India woman is the. Okay, number 1, the most common dress of India woman is the. So I already many time I already explained to you, I already told you in my all these lecture which is related to this chapter number 3 is that what? Yes, the right option is the sari. Sari is the most common outfit for women in India. Sari is the national outfit for women in India. Sari is the common outfit for women in India. Sari is the famous outfit for women in India. Okay, we Indian women can identify, can recognize outside of India by the sari only. When we will go outside, definitely when we will go in foreign countries, we can identify by our saris. साड़ी ही भारतीय नारी की पहचान है. बाहर के देशों में, विदेशों में भारतीय नारी की, इंडियन वुमन की पहचान जो है वो ये साड़ी है. We Indian women can identify, can recognize in other countries for our saris, है ना. So option A, frock. Is this right? No. Option B, sari. Is this right? Yes. And option C, skirt. So which option is right? Option B, sari is right. है ना. Sari is the most common, the most famous outfit for women in India. So option B is the right answer. Now I am going to write number 2. Yes. Mandu blouse is the common dress of women in where? Mandu blouse is the common dress of women in where? It is famous in Gujarat? No. It is famous in Maharashtra? No. It is famous in Haryana? No. It is famous in Punjab? No. So where it is famous? It is very much famous in Kerala. It is very much famous in Kerala. Okay, so option 1, Kerala. Option B, Rajasthan. है ना. And option C, Haryana. Option C, Haryana. See dear students, sometimes your parents are asking, sometimes this question is in your mind. Frock I wrote in small letters, sari I wrote in small letters, skirt I wrote in small letter. Then why I wrote Kerala का K is capital, Rajasthan का R is capital and Haryana का H is capital? Because the names, noun is the name of a place, person, animal or thing. So these all are the names of the places. That's why we will write in the capital letter. This is the rule of the English. This is the rule of the English. यहाँ पर तो मैंने small letters use किए हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर capital use क्यों किए हैं? This is EVS, but I am explaining you. I am telling you the English rule. Some parents are asking, मैम यहाँ पर full stop नहीं आया, यहाँ पर question mark नहीं आया. तो everything has the reason behind it. हर चीज़ का अपना एक reason होता है. Okay. So here Kerala का K is capital, Rajasthan का R is capital, Haryana का H is capital, because these are the names of the places and they will come in category of noun. So Kerala is the right answer. Mandu blouse is common dress of women in Kerala. Option B is the correct answer. Now I am going to write number 3. In Tamil Nadu the lungi is called what? In here I will write Tamil Nadu का T capital, TAMIL, Tamil Nadu, Nadu, and also capital Tamil Nadu. The lungi, अब देखो lungi, here lungi, L small. Okay, Tamil Nadu is the name of the place. It is related with the place. It is a noun. That's why I wrote in capital letter. Yes, in Tamil Nadu the lungi is called what? The lungi is called A धोती है ना, B वेस्टी, एंड C मेखला. No. So what is the right answer? Vesti is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. In Tamil Nadu, the lungi is called vesti. Here I am writing number 4. Yes. Yes. Farhan is usually worn in which place? Which, from where Farhan is going to wear? Yes, कहाँ पहना जाता है this वाला? Yes, first one is Assam. Again, Assam is the name of the place. That's why Assam will come in capital. Number B, Punjab. And number C, Kashmir. So Kashmir is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Farhan is very much famous in Jammu and Kashmir. It is a long loose coat which is worn by the Kashmiri people. Okay. Last wala is remain. Last, number 5. Here I am not having place, so I am going to write number 1 and I will write number 5 upside. I will write number 5 upside because downside I don't have place. I have little place. If I will write over there, it is not visible in the camera. That's why I am going to rub the number 1 and I am writing number 5th on place of number 1. When you will watch the video, be careful. Each and everything while doing I am explaining. Yes. Kanjivaram is famous for what? Kanjivaram is famous for what? It is number 8 is a famous salwar. Number B, kurta, and number C, sari. So Kanjivaram is what? Kanjivaram is the name of a sari. It is very much famous in South India. It is very much famous in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. This Kanjivaram is very famous. Kanjivaram is very expensive sarees. Kanjivaram's dress material is very expensive. Structure is very expensive. बहुत महंगी होती है Kanjivaram and Banarsi saree. So it is a kind of saree. It is famous for saree. Option G is the right answer. Okay. Yes. Once again I will repeat. Take the correct option. The most common dress of India woman is the frock, sari, skirt. Yes. Option B is the right answer. Sari. Mandu blouse is the common dress of woman in where? Kerala, Rajasthan or Haryana. So option A is the right answer. In Tamil Nadu, the lungi is called what? Dhoti? No, it is called vesti. Yes. Farhan is usually worn in Kashmir. Yes. By Kashmiri people, it is a long loose coat. Man and woman both are wearing over there. Kanjivaram is very famous sari. It is the name of a sari. Okay, so this is the today's lecture. Hope you will do with me. You will write in your notebooks. You will write in your book. So it is over from my side. Tomorrow we will do the true and false and the fill in the blanks. true and false, and fill in the blanks. These two we will do tomorrow. So this, tick the correct option. You have to write in the book only. You have to write in the book only. No need to do in the notebook. But new words you have to write in the notebook, in the EVS notebook. Okay, so it is enough from my side. Bye bye, have a nice day, keep watching, keep study, do well, always is in your life, है ना, and God bless. Bye bye. आप लोगों को लेना तो ले लो, मैं